Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin a website from Google Chrome directly to your taskbar for quick and easy access. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to any website you'd like to pin. This could be your favorite news site, a productivity tool you use daily, or any web page you visit frequently. Having quick access from your taskbar means you won't need to open Chrome and type the URL every single time. Once you're on the website you want to pin, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots there, which is the Chrome menu icon. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu with all your browser options. In the menu that appears, carefully hover your mouse over the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. This will reveal a submenu with additional sharing and saving features that Chrome offers. These tools are designed to help you access your favorite content more efficiently. From this submenu, click on Create Shortcut. This action tells Chrome that you want to make a desktop shortcut for the current web page. It's a simple but powerful feature that transforms any website into a standalone icon you can launch independently. A small dialog box will now pop up on your screen. Here you'll have the option to give your shortcut a custom name, or you can simply leave the default name that Chrome automatically generates based on the website's title. Choose whichever works best for you and helps you identify the site at a glance. Once you've decided on the name, click the Create button. Chrome will now generate the shortcut and place it on your desktop. This process only takes a second, so you won't need to wait long. Now navigate to your desktop where all your icons are displayed. Take a moment to locate the newly created shortcut among your other desktop items. It should have the website's favicon as its icon, making it easy to spot. Once you've found the shortcut, click and hold your mouse button on the icon. Then drag it down to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Release your mouse button when you're hovering over the taskbar, and the shortcut will pin itself there. Now you have instant access to your favorite website right from your taskbar without needing to open Chrome first. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a website from Google Chrome to your taskbar, making your most visited sites just one click away. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.